The tattoo industry wants you to believe that it takes 2 to 4 years to learn how to tattoo. I'm going to tell you that is completely wrong. And by the end of this video, you're going to know the fastest way to learn tattooing known to mankind. Just let me explain something to you quick. You can learn a skill. As an example, if you couldn't swim, if you was a non-swimmer, within a short duration of time, you would be able to jump into a swimming pool and be able to tread water. You wouldn't die. You would be able to swim in theory. But there is a huge difference between somebody that's just learned how to swim and somebody that is like an Olympic level athlete at swimming. So I disagree with the fact, look, it takes years, 4-year apprenticeship before you ever touch a machine. No, we can get you swimming in the shortest time possible. In this video, listen, I'm not going to go into like microscopic details on every single topic, but I'm going to guide you through exactly what you need to learn in the right order so you can learn tattooing in the fastest way possible. First up, it makes total sense. You need to learn the equipment that you need. You can't learn tattooing if you don't have the stuff to do it. The second thing, you need a good understanding of the theory behind everything. It's pointless trying to learn how to do a line or a shading if you don't understand how deep you need to go. So let's get the theory done and out of the way. Next up, you need to set everything up. There's a massive thing in the industry, isn't there? If you're learning from home, you're doing it unsafe. No, you can set your station up in a safe manner and a sterile manner, as if you were in a studio from comfort of your own home. Next up, the most important thing, in my opinion, is how to do lines. Now, you could put an umbrella over that and just say, well, line work's line work. No, let's break it down into its simplest form. Straight lines, curved lines, circles, joining lines together so they're invisible. It's not just line work. That's a vague description. Let's break it down step by step so you can actually learn this skill and understand what you're doing. Guess what? After line work, then we learn shading. And again, we don't just say, how do you shade? Or this is how you shade, watch me. It's let's break it down into its simplest form. We've got how to pack colour. We've got how to do dot work. We've got whip shading, brush shading. Any design that you could ever imagine would be able to be done with just those techniques alone. Once you understand all those things, the line work, the shading, it's not just all right, Ben, I understand that now. It is the drills that implement them. It is the point where you're doing that particular skill without even thinking about it consciously. Most adults can drive. Think about it. When you first started driving, you had to think what you were doing. Turning, indicating, changing gear, everything were a muddle. Once you've been doing it quite a while, you don't even think anymore. That's the level that we need to get at tattooing. When you're doing lines, you don't have to think about doing lines. When you're shading, it just happens. You're not thinking about what you're doing anymore. That is when the muscle memory is there and you truly understand what you're doing. And only once you have drilled and understood and built the muscle memory around those individual components, then and only then do we start putting them into designs. Just quickly, if you found it useful and you're interested in drills, simple designs, full tutorials, a step-by-step curriculum, and being surrounded by like-minded people, check out our school community. But what type of designs? Again, we do things where everything makes sense. Start with the ultimate basics, the things that you're going to build confidence and build skill. Then, once you can do them, once you're good at them, then we increase complexity. That allows you to develop the skill. Exactly the same. Think what I said at the beginning of this video. You don't jump in a pool and become an Olympic swimmer. First, you'd stop yourself drowning, right? You learn to tread water, then you learn breaststroke, then front crawl, then you keep developing them skills until you're an Olympic level athlete. The same thing in tattooing. They're the things that you need to learn in the order that you need to learn them all. But where do you learn it? Well, there's 3 different ways to learn how to tattoo. I'm going to quickly break them down because I'll be honest with you, this is what is going to separate you from starting and failing or starting and seeing it through to the end and finally becoming the artist that you want to be. There are really only 3 ways to learn to tattoo. The first is the traditional apprenticeship, and it's not all bad. A good one puts you in a real studio with a real mentor around real clients. If you find the right person, you'll pick up hygiene, studio standards, and how the industry actually works. Those are the pros. But here's the reality nobody tells you. In a typical apprenticeship, you can spend years sweeping floors, setting up everyone else's stations, cleaning the tubes out, answering the phone, running the reception in a lot of cases as well. All the bullshit that has nothing to do with learning to tattoo. It's gate kept, so you often need to know someone just to get in. The teaching is, in most cases, drip fed, and it depends entirely on whether your mentor can be bothered that day. There's no structure, no curriculum, and in plenty of cases you will not touch a machine for a very long time. It's slow, and for a lot of people it never really actually pays off in the end. The second road is teaching yourself on YouTube or through another form, and there are real pros to that one. Naturally, it's free. You can start right now today. There's a mountain of content and you can do it at your own pace. But here's the problem. There's no order to any of it. You don't know what to learn first or what comes next. You get contradictory advice from hundreds of different creators. A lot of it is bad. Some of it is genuinely dangerous. Nobody gives you the feedback or corrects your mistakes. And worst of all, you don't know what you don't know. So you end up with huge gaps. Hold that thought, because I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like in just a second. And here's the third road, the one that you're actually on, this course. Everything in order from start to finish. A complete structured path that takes you from zero to tattooing in the right order. Every technique demystified and taught step by step. No stone left unturned. Built from everything that I've learnt the hard way, so you skip the trial and error. No gatekeeping, no wasted years, no menial nonsense. You learn the actual craft from day one at your pace, never guessing what's next again. And the cons, I'll be honest, there's really only one. It's still on you to put the hours in. That's the only catch. Now, let me show you why the order matters so much, because this is the whole game. On the left, here's you, your starting point. Over on the right, that's where you want to be, a professional tattoo artist. And in between are all the things that you've got to learn and master to get you there. Your machine, needles, depth, lining, shading, stretching, all of it. This is what YouTube actually looks like. You watch a video on shading, so you jump over here. Then one on lining, so you jump back over there. Then machine, so you go off again. You're bouncing all over the place, out of order, doubling back, missing bits entirely. And notice you never actually reach the professional level. You just keep going round in circles between the same skills, never actually arriving. That's the trap. That is not a path, that's just motion. And it's exactly why most self-taught beginners burn out and just quit in end. Now, here's what I do instead. Same starting point, same destination, but this time every single thing you need to learn is laid out in one straight line, in the exact order that it should be learned. You start here and you move forward one step at a time, each skill building on the last. No jumping around, no guessing, no gaps. A clear, straight path from where you are to where you want to be. And this time you'll actually arrive. That's the entire difference. It's not that the YouTube creators are wrong in some cases, it's that there is no order. The order is everything. I think it's pretty clear. Even if you've got a tattoo apprenticeship, you can supplement that by learning online, because the structure is laid out. The roadmap is there for you. It is missing everywhere else. This is the fastest way to learn. Having that curriculum where day one leads to day two. The YouTube where you're jumping around fucking all over, things get missed, you repeat things, you're going backwards on yourself, you never get into the destination. If you want to learn in that manner, if this video makes sense, which I hope it does, if you're still here, then well done you, because you're actually dedicated to learning this craft. I have put it all together inside the school community. It costs nothing for you to go have a look, but you will be surrounded with people just like you, starting from day one, right up to people that have never tattooed before joining this course, and now they've got their own studios, and that is worldwide. New York, Texas, Cyprus, here in UK, literally thousands of people that were once where you're stood right now. I'll see you inside.